As our first comment comes from Mark. Mark says, that was probably the most boring opening statement from a prosecution team I have witnessed since I started watching Court TV in 2021. All right, Mark has strong feelings. Michael, I'll start with you. I know you have feelings about it because I think all of us here at Court TV felt like something was lacking in that opening statement by the state. They gave all the facts, but there was no story. There was nothing there to sink your teeth into, and I think it was a misstep.
I'm riveted by this case, been waiting for months. The implications are going to be massive. I don't know if I agree with Mark, and I'll tell you why. The state knows the playbook of the defense. So they're playing to the playbook of the defense because it's such a repulsive and repugnant defense that's coming. Think about it. If you're the prosecution and you basically are advocating for the police, you know that the defense are going to come out and say, every single one of you guys is Darth Vader. You guys are liars. You guys are deceivers. Every one of you is crooked and corrupt. They're impugning the entire integrity, not just of the prosecution and the police, but the entire system. You're the prosecution, you know that. You don't want to play into that. So you want to come in there lower, more meek. Just look at their first witness. Their first witness was the brother of the slain officer, right? And he came out. How's the defense going to come up there and eviscerate him? They weren't expecting that. They were expecting an examiner, an investigator to come on so they can say, aren't you corrupt? Didn't you know him? Didn't you know that? So I feel like they came out the way they should come out, given what they're going to face on the other side.